Hi guys, so I am back with another little share. This is a journal that my sister just completed. It's going to be listed on her Etsy shop. I'll leave the link in the description box below. But before that, I wanted to take a moment and say thank you for all of your wonderful support that you showed yesterday on my Christmas junk journal release. It was a total hit, and I am so grateful to you all. I was in tears. I was nervous. I was shaking. I had so many emotions. So much hard work went into creating those journals, and like literally I was waking up at 1:30 in the morning and sometimes working 14 hours a day to get them done, and to see, you know, them go so fast. I was really touched, and I'm so grateful and thankful to all of you. I cannot. I'm so shocked. I just couldn't believe it. So thank you. So back to the journal that she created. I am going to be listing the collection that she used. I know it's the Cottage, Rose Cottage or something like that, because I also have this collection, but I can't remember exactly the designer, but I'll look for it and I'll link it. So it's a hardcover book, and she gutted out a book and repurposed the cover, and it is absolutely beautiful. She stitched the image, and she added some German glitter glass here to the roses, and the cover is gray, and she used some flowers and added some flowers and lace to the spine, and she just ran some lace for the closure. She has a removable tassel. It's beautiful. Lots of lace on the edge of the pages, metal corners, and a metal book plate. So it's absolutely stunning. I'll have the page count on her listing. So I'm sorry, my light keeps blinking. I don't know why. So you open it up, and here you have a tag. She did all her stitching in white. Beautiful image here from the collection. Some lace down here. She reinforced with Tyvek and fabric in pink and gray. Beautiful combination. And then beautiful image here with some lace stitched on the edges. And then here she has a triple pocket. Actually, it looks like a 4 pocket. She has some lace and a little bow and some ribbon, and these are the images. They're beautiful. Backed onto coffee dye paper. That's her letter from the bookmaker. That one is backed onto Kool-Aid dye paper, and backed onto Kool-Aid dye paper. Coffee dye paper. Here she made a little altered clip, and that is holding, and this is avocado dye paper, and that's holding this beautiful tag. Doily. Here she has a little fabric tip-in. Look at how beautiful. Here she has a little corner tuck with another image. Gorgeous. And another image. Little playing card there. And here's one of her multiple page corner tucks. You can write all kinds of little notes. Oh, this one glued. Okay. So you have multiple little pages. This one there. Little ribbon and a bow. A lace page here. And she made like a side tuck that holds these tags. Little flower there, mulberry flower. Right there. A ribbon pocket here. And there's some lace down here. Writing paper. And here she has a little charm hanging from a bow pin that has a little rose. In the middle of the signature, she has an envelope and she put a little die cut piece there with some lace. And in here she has some playing cards and little Milton Bradley score sheets for extra little journaling. Another card. And here she has another card with some vocabulary little flashcards and one of these vintage little playing cards. And then here another little pocket with another little journaling card. And here she has a pocket. Okay, honey.
Love you.
Love you. And a little charm metal key here. And in this pocket she has another card. Lots of stitching she did. This opens up and she has another pocket. And another pocket with some more tags. This, she has some pink ribbon here, and this is an envelope. Flips up. There's nothing in it. Rosewood Cottage is the name of the collection. And I'll link it in the description box where you can purchase it. And some lace down here. Little pocket here with some lace and some white sequins. It's beautiful. Some graph paper. Some ribbon here, eyelet lace and then ribbon. She decoupaged this here and made a pocket that holds these tags. Beautiful. She did a great job with it. Doily, avocado dye paper, and here she used a dress form and a little eyelet trim down there with some pearls, and she has a little envelope. She has some trim and some lace here, and did she put anything in here? Let's see. Yes, she did. Stitched onto coffee dye paper, and that goes right in there. Oh, I can never get it back in on camera, of course. Okay. Here she has another pocket, and this one holds a tag. Some ribbon here, a little die cut piece and lace at the bottom. Postcard stitched onto Kool-Aid dye paper. Another, oh, this one was holding a little altered paper clip with a little doily there and some fibers. She was having fun with those altered paper clips. And this is another tag, and this is another little tuck, another doily, oh, she forgot to put something in there, but I'm sure she will. She always sends an ephemera pack. As a matter of fact, I already have it ready to go with the journal. Here is another postcard. She does a lot of stitching as well. We're alike. We like to stitch a lot. It just adds, you know, to the journal. This is another one of her multiple flips for a lot of extra little notes. This one has 2 signatures. Well, she got 3 tags here, so let's put one of these over here. Let's do that. Shall we? Yeah. So, and it's a belly band, and she has a mulberry flower, and on top of that a metal flower with some fibers. She even stitched the belly band. And here you have a little fabric pocket with some lace. And that's stitched onto coffee dyed paper. Little envelope here with another tag stitched onto Kool-Aid dye paper. And this is, oh, you get $1 million bill. But it has lines. I have these in the shop. It says memo, and you can journal on the lines in the back. And I sell these, and they're like notepads, packs of 2. They're fun for journals. And here she has a little booklet. It's a little flip up. Yep, a couple pages, and that's avocado dyed paper. You can always tell because of the dusty rose. A little card there, and this hangs out there, and this is a little flip little thingy, and then lace, and this opens up, and it has another pocket with some tag, with a tag. And this is another gorgeous tag. And then she has a metal butterfly here with some bling and fibers, and a mini doily in the back. Some trim up here, and one of these waterfalls. We love using these now. I had these in my stash, and I found them a couple weeks ago, and now we're using them. We love them. Lined. Here she has another one of her multiple pocket pages. I think she learned this from Patricia Vermontes. She loves watching her. Beautiful tags. And they're all stitched. Another little applique and some lace down here. And a doily. Avocado. And this is, it's not a flip, it's a tuck, side tuck. Another tag. And it's a pocket. And she has a little card there that talks about the Arctic Ocean. And a little vintage playing card. Little cup piece there. Some trim down here, fringy. And that is the back, and in the back she has a side pocket with a couple little tags. And that is that one. Beautiful book. So this one is listed in her Etsy shop. I hope you guys like it. And oh, and she had another little metal charm here. I hope you guys like it. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. And again, thank you so much for your awesome support. And yeah, guys, I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye. Have an awesome weekend.